This 2020 Chevrolet Malibu is brought to you by Lehman Automotive, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Chevrolet is powered by 4-liter engine, automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and has 45,295 miles to drive home in style. 2020 Chevrolet Malibu, reliable, efficient, and ready for adventure. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.